So I wanted to just walk you through the overview of how this training program is set up. It's pretty much videos that we go through and have created to answer any and all of your questions. You are going to get the video I'm recording now. We'll be under watch this first. And what's going to happen is we're going to invite you to this page. You are going to have comment-only permissions. You will come in, overview of the settings page here, for example. Your video tutorial is here. If you have any questions while you're watching this video, feel free to come down here and comment your question, and I will answer as soon as possible. At Jessica, and that is how I will get the notification. Just do an at and a J, it'll pull it right up. And then you leave comment. And you just go through and watch all the videos. If you ever feel like there's information missing or things you would like more detail on, we're going to have a section here that is going to be just for you to leave those questions in. So thank you. And if you have any questions or technical issues, just contact me, info@acresoftimber.com.